Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making sweet corn cookies. We're entering that fall season time where corn is going to be aplenty. This does not use actual corn, but it does use masa harina, which is really a corn flour in Spanish, and we're also adding in some cornmeal to these cookies. And these are based off of the famous place Milk Bar. I think they have a few different locations throughout the East Coast at least, if not on the West Coast as well, or throughout the country. But they make very interesting flavors. So ultimately, these cookies are supposed to taste like your favorite corn-flavored cereal. Does that mean they're going to taste like corn pops? Because I love corn pops. So let's find out what cereal it's supposed to taste like, and let's get started. Thank you for this song request. I've done it once before, but it's worth a second time because the song is just that good. It's headed to fall, and everything corn is aplenty. I know you can hear this cookie call. Sweet corn cookies, yum, yum, yum. Are they better than chocolate goodies? We'll find out, we'll find out, we'll find out. We'll find out. Okay, better than chocolate? Not sure about that, but it has its own separate category. All-purpose flour, masa harina, cornmeal, baking powder, baking soda, salt, whisk together, unsalted butter, sugar. Beat together until light and fluffy. Add your egg. Beat in once again until fully combined. Add your dry ingredients. Stir until combined. This is a scone scoop. You can use a smaller scoop, but I'm going to be using the big one because these cookies are meant to be big. So let's do this. Into the oven for 13 to 16 minutes. Keep an eye on them. The edges should be set. They should be slightly golden, and the middles should still look soft. Look at this giant sweet corn cookie. It baked perfectly. It's a little bit golden on the edges, and I think the centers are still pretty soft. So let's break it open and see what that looks like. Ooh, I can see that it's soft in the center, a little chewy. Ah, look at that. It's all in the taste. It smells like corn. Maybe it does smell like corn pops, but does it taste like corn pops? Let's find out. Actually, you know what? These do taste a little bit like corn pops. It sort of tastes like a sugar cookie mixed with corn pops. I do think that day 2 it will settle down and probably taste more like corn pops than it does today, but it does have that flavor coming through. It's not overly corn flavored, but just enough. If I can make these sweet corn cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, make for your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.